If you clicked on this video, you probably want to improve your singing, maybe even start sharing it online or with friends, but you think you just don't have the time. Well, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to take you through a super short 10-minute warm-up you can use to jumpstart your day and get your vocal cords working. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Sophia Maffei and I'm a vocal coach, singer and actress. And today we'll be working on a short session of vocal exercises you can easily add to your daily routine. In this channel, you will find a ton of singing related videos, so go ahead and subscribe. I post 3 times a week, so make sure you click on that bell icon so you'll receive a notification each time. Warming up and exercising the voice is crucial. It's probably the biggest part of a singer's career. A lot of people feel overwhelmed when it comes to these exercises, mostly because it can be hard to know where to start, how to do it properly, and mostly how to make it into a habit. My first piece of advice would be to start small. Establish a simple 10-minute routine that you can easily add into your busy schedule. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and warm up together, shall we? Now before we get to the piano, we need to make sure our breath is in check. By this I mean, are we creating enough support for the voice? This support comes from a muscle located just above your waist called the diaphragm. Now what I want you to do is to find the spot where your last 2 ribs come together, place 2 fingers underneath that point, and over there, you should find your diaphragm. Pressing firmly with one hand onto the diaphragm and with the other hand softly on our chest, we're going to take some short breaths. What I want you to do is press your lower hand forward with your diaphragm and try to keep your chest and shoulders relaxed and relieved of any tension. It will seem a lot easier once we start. So let's go. We're going to inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth 3 times, and on the 4th, we're going to rest and start again. All ready? Let's go. Push that hand forward with your diaphragm. And we rest. One more time. Well done. And we rest. Make sure you're focusing on pushing that hand forward with your diaphragm. You should really feel that muscle working out. If this placement of your hands isn't comfortable for you, you can also place your hands around your diaphragm or a bit higher above your waist and feel that diaphragm expanding in this motion. So we're going to do the last one like this. So make sure the shoulders are relaxed. And we rest. Well done. Now that we've engaged with the diaphragm, it's time to move on to the piano. Now a quick disclaimer before we start. Since all our voices and ranges are different, please only do the exercises from and up to the point where you feel comfortable. If you start pushing or feeling tightness in the throat, just stop for a little bit and carry on when we go back to lower notes. Now what we're going to do to wake up the voice in a gentle way is what's referred to as a lip trill. A lip trill is a kind of semi-occluded vocal tract exercise, which is just a fancy way of saying your mouth will be partially closed. These kinds of exercises are fantastic to start your warm-up with, and they're also really good to work on that mixed range. If you can't produce the sound of the lip trill, I want you to try with a rolled R or tongue trill, or if that doesn't work for you, a V sound. All set? Let's go then. Now you. Well done. Super gentle. Very thin sound. Remember, we want it to be a massage. Well done. next exercise, we're going to dive into our resonators. I want you to pretend like you're a wicked witch from a classic children's tale and go meow, meow, as if you were chewing gum. Come on, you can do it. I know it may be silly, but trust me, this exercise is brilliant to encourage cord closure, which results in a cleaner and healthier sound. So let's give it a go, shall we? The exercise goes yum, 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 yum. Now you. Yum, 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 yum. Really chew it. Very witchy. Yum, 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 yum. That's it. Well done. Really thin out those vocal cords. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Very witchy. Good. Only do what you feel comfortable with. Good. Very thin sound. And we go down. Well done. Remember, very chewy. Well done. Good. Engage with that resonator. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Good. Well done, everyone. And now that our voices have woken up, we can move on to the next exercise, which is called the staccato. Here we're going to aim for short, clean and precise sounds rather than a contiguous, elongated one. This is a great way to open up your throat and work on your pitch. We ready? Let's go. So the exercise goes. And what I want you to imagine is that you're holding a dart that you're firing at a target. A very clean, clear and precise short sound. Okay, we're going to start from a bit lower and you're just going to join in whenever you're ready. Done. Very short. Well done. Next, what we're going to do is really take our vocal cords to the gym with a glissando exercise. Basically, what we're going to do is carry the sound through all the way, practically the opposite of what we just did with the staccato. We really want to engage with our diaphragm for this exercise and make sure we're providing enough support. If the exercise feels a little bit long for you, don't worry, you can pause and take a very short breath before the glissando in the end. We're going to say loo, loo. Make sure the throat is open and that the air has room to flow through. We're going to start a little bit lower, like before, and you just join in whenever you're ready. Well done, carry it through. Good. Really carry that sound with you. Open the throat. Let the air flow. That's that passage. Be very gentle. Very thin sound. Let the air flow. Good. Really carry it. Good. Don't give up. Till the end. Beautiful. Well done, everyone. That was a very long exercise. Well done for carrying it all the way through. And last but not least, we're going to work on our pitch with a simple numbered scale exercise. We're going to go through the numbers 1 to 7 on the piano in a sequence that always comes back to 1. For example, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to follow this pattern until we reach 7 and then go all the way back down to 1. Just follow along with me and try to really pay attention to pitch, precision and the relationship between the notes. Let's fine tune those ears, shall we? 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to repeat that now, but starting from 7. All ready? Let's go. 7, 6, 7. 7, 6, 5, 6, 7. 7, 6. Well done, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this super quick warm-up that you can include into your daily routine. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can also click on the bell icon to be notified of my videos and never miss a thing. I've got other amazing singing related content like reactions, cover songs, vocal tips over there. Thank you so much for staying till the end and I'll see you over there. Happy singing!